so first we're starting with our First Aid Beauty Coconut Moisturizer, and we're basically just going to lather this all over our skin. And then we're going to take our Faced Primed and Peachy Primer, and we're also going to lather this all over our skin. So we're just going to go ahead and blend that out all over our face with our fingers. This is the most flawless primer ever. Then we're taking our Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade, I think, Porcelain. And I'm first just applying this with my fingers, and then I'm taking my beauty blender and just buffing that all into my skin. And I swear to God, the beauty blender gives the most flawless finish to the skin ever. So we're just going to keep kind of buffing that in until it's smooth and flawless. And then we're going to go ahead and take our Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I'm just placing this under the eye area as well as down the center of the nose, a little bit on the forehead, and we're also going to cut our contour with this. Then we're taking that same beauty blender and just kind of buffing in all those areas that we placed our concealer. So next we're going to take our Too Faced Peach Perfect Powder, and we're going to take a Sigma F35 brush, and we're going to set all those areas that we placed that concealer. And then we're going to take the Tarte Parkave Princess Contour Kit. We're going to take the shade Carat with a Sigma F05 brush. We're placing that in our hollows of our cheeks as well as our temples and forehead, and just a little bit on the jawline as well. So now we're going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pink Passion Blush Quad, and taking a Sigma F10 brush, we're just going to place that right into the apples of the cheeks. And now we're going to take our Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlight, and we are going to take that onto our Sigma F03 highlight brush, and we're going to spray a little bit of Too Faced Hangover Setting spray onto that, placing it onto the top of our cheekbones, nose, forehead, and just a little bit on the cupid's bow. So now we're going to take our Anastasia Beverly Hills Taupe dipbrow. I'm going to take a Sigma E85 spoolie brush and just comb our brow hairs. And we're taking Sigma E65 brow brush and just underlining the brow, and then we're going to just create an arch by lining the top of our brow as well. Then we're just going to fill in any sparse areas with that same brush. And then we're going to just use the excess product on our brush and just kind of create a feather-like effect with the front of the brow. Now we're taking our MAC NC15 concealer, and we're taking a clean Sigma E65 brush and just kind of carving out the underneath of the brow, just kind of creating a really sharp, chiseled brow with that concealer. Then we're taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel and just kind of combing the brow hairs a little bit with that. Now we're taking our Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer and just basically buffing that all over our lid with our finger. Then we're going to take the Too Faced Peachy Matte Palette and taking the shade Peach Meringue with an Anastasia blending brush. We're just using that as our transition shade. Then we're going to take the shade Just Peachy from the same palette with the same brush and buffing that right into the crease as well as the outer corner with our Anastasia brush, and just kind of blending that in with the transition shade and making everything really seamless and blended. Now we're going to take the shade Peach Tart with our MAC 217 brush, and we're mainly concentrating this shade more in the outer corner. We're going to bring it into the crease a little bit as well, but we want to use this just for some extra definition. And then we're going to take our Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter and just pop that right into the inner corner as our inner corner highlight. Now we're taking our Sigma Wicked Pen Liner, and we're just going to line the inner corner of our eye. At least this is what I do to create more of like an almond, kind of rounder shaped eye, I guess. And then we're going to take my Stila Kitten Karma Glitter and just pop that right onto the lid, right from the applicator. And then I'm just going to use my finger to kind of blend everything out and make everything really seamless. Then we're taking our Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, and we're just going to kind of layer this on our lashes, create a really thick kind of lash. And I'm also going to place this on my bottom lashes as well. And then I'm going to take my House of Lashes Iconic Lights, my favorite lashes ever, and using the Duo Lash Glue, I'm just going to pop those right onto my eye there. Then I'm taking that same Stila glitter and putting that right into the inner corner of my eyes for some extra glitter. And then we're taking our Too Faced Lip Injection Lip Gloss, and we're going to go ahead and just basically lather our lips with this. This makes your lips super plump and just super pretty. And then we're going to go ahead and let that sit and take our MAC Snob Lip Gloss and just place that right on top and also lather our lips with this. This is my favorite nude pink shade. And lastly, we're going to take our Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Setting Spray and basically drown ourselves in it. So yeah, go ham. I love how dewy this setting spray makes your skin look, and that's pretty much it, guys. That's it for this super glam, peachy, kind of glittery makeup look. I hope you guys loved this video, and if you did, then definitely please subscribe to my channel and follow on my other social media accounts. I love you guys, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.